Kitchen and staff. A clean kitchen is key to smooth operations. Following a closing checklist ensures hygiene and efficiency for the next shift. Skilled staff, from chefs to fry cooks, keep the kitchen running. Across the industry, roles vary, offering opportunities from entry-level to specialized positions.
The kitchen.
Checklist for closing shift. Make sure the kitchen is clean and tidy before you leave. The morning crew is very busy. They cannot cook anything with dirty appliances. Write your initials next to each item below. 1. Put cold foods back in the refrigerator. Remember to close the freezer door. 2. Empty the dishwasher and put away the clean dishes. Don't leave any food or dirty dishes in the sink. 3. Wipe down the top of the stove and the inside of the oven. Make sure both appliances are turned off. 4. Put away supplies or food containers that are still on the countertops.
People in the kitchen.
4th Street Cafe. Meet our friendly kitchen staff. Paolo Jensen is our chef de cuisine. He started 5 years ago as a dishwasher. Then he worked part-time as cook's helper while he attended culinary school. He became first cook last year. Now, he is the chef who runs our kitchen. Our sous chef, 𝗩𝗂𝗋𝗋𝗄𝗏, is a big help to Paolo. She's also a temporary broiler cook until we find a full-time meat expert. We're lucky to have an award-winning baker and pastry chef. Celine Ryan is known nationally for her breads and cakes. Joe Franklin recently joined the breakfast crew as a fry cook, and we welcome our newest member, Ronnie Gomez, as vegetable cook.
People in a restaurant.
𝗩𝗂𝗯𝘂𝗹.com. Restaurant. ID number 03778. Emery's Grill seeks friendly servers and a busser. Servers will handle multiple food orders in a fast-paced environment. Busser must clear tables quickly and efficiently. ID number 03779. New restaurant downtown needs to fill most front-of-house positions. We prefer a manager with at least 2 years of food service experience. We also need a host to seat customers and act as cashier. A bartender will provide drink service to customers at tables and at the bar. ID number 03780. Great summer job. Polly's Surf Shack is hiring for the tourist season. No experience? No problem. Food runners will support the waitstaff and bus tables when needed.